Hi friends. Welcome back to our English channel. Today's story is about Lily, a student in Australia. Let's follow her peaceful day and learn English together.
Hello friends, my name is Lily. I am 20 years old. I live in Australia and I study at a university. Today I want to share my simple life with you. Let's spend one day together. The sun is rising. It's a new day. I wake up at 7 a.m. My alarm rings. I smile and stretch. I open my window. The sky is pink and blue. Birds are singing. I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I make tea. I don't drink coffee. Tea makes me feel calm. I sit by the window and drink slowly. This is my favorite moment of the morning. Just me and the quiet. I take a shower and get dressed. Today I wear jeans and a white shirt. It's simple but comfortable. At 8:30 a.m. I leave my small apartment. I walk to the bus stop. I listen to music on the way. The bus ride takes 15 minutes. I see other students, business people and children going to school. My university is big and beautiful. Trees grow near every building. My first class is English writing. We learn grammar and practice essays. I love writing. My teacher says I have good ideas. After that, I have a break. I sit on the grass with my friend Mia. We talk about homework, food, and sometimes boys. She is funny and always smiling. At 1 p.m., I go to the student cafe. I eat rice, salad, and a boiled egg. I like simple, healthy food. I also drink orange juice. After lunch, I go to the library. It's very quiet there. I like the silence. I open my laptop and work on my assignment. Sometimes I look out the window. I see other students walking or reading. The sun shines through the leaves. It makes me feel peaceful. At 5:30 p.m., I leave the library. I meet my boyfriend, Henry. We walk in the park near my apartment. The air is cool and the birds are flying home. We talk about our day. Henry tells me a joke. I laugh loudly. He brings me a small flower. I smile and say thank you. We sit on a bench and watch the sunset. I feel safe and happy. At 7:30 p.m. I go home. I cook dinner, pasta with vegetables. Sometimes I eat while watching a quiet show. Then I clean my room and take a shower. Before bed, I read a book or write in my journal. Writing helps me feel calm. I write about my thoughts and dreams. At 10:30 p.m. I turn off the lights. I close my eyes and say, thank you for today. This is my day. It's simple, quiet, and full of small joys. I study, I laugh, I walk, I learn. Maybe your life is different, or maybe it's the same. Thank you for spending time with me. I hope you enjoyed this story.
Let's quickly review Lily's day. She woke up early, made tea, went to university, studied in the library, and took a walk with her boyfriend. Finally, she wrote in her journal before going to bed. Now it's your turn. Repeat after me. The sun is rising. It's a new day. The sun is rising. It's a new day. I sit by the window and drink tea. I sit by the window and drink tea. I wear jeans and a white shirt. I wear jeans and a white shirt. I walk to the bus stop. The sky is blue. I walk to the bus stop. The sky is blue. My class is about English writing. My class is about English writing. I eat lunch with my friend. We laugh and talk. I eat lunch with my friend. We laugh and talk. I study in the library. It is quiet. I study in the library. It is quiet. We walk in the park and watch the sunset. We walk in the park and watch the sunset. I cook pasta and enjoy my dinner. I cook pasta and enjoy my dinner. I write in my journal and go to sleep. I write in my journal and go to sleep. Thank you for watching Lily's story. I hope you enjoyed it and learned some new words. Keep practicing English every day. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English videos. See you next time.